I just make Kool-Aid? Rah! One for me, one for the party. One for me. Yeah, don't stress me out. I'm not even ready. Houston, we have a 1-year-old. Watching Sage's first birthday vlog.
I like me.
Like you?
Oakley's party. Sage is just watching all of her baby videos. Do you like them, Sage? Yeah. All right, let's make our blue, what am I calling it? Space juice, basically blue lemonade. But I'm gonna color it with blue spirulina. I actually bought this because Sage wanted to make blue smoothies, and if you use blueberries, they go purple. So I got actual blue spirulina. You have to get the blue one because regular spirulina is actually a dark green. So we got this. All right, let's make our space juice. We're gonna need some lemons. We got the cake in here. I also have to finish Oakley's smash cake. Lots to do. My sister Chloe is on her way, and we're gonna take photos and videos of everything before everyone arrives. This camera is heavy. Little sneak peek of the decor. It's so cute. I cannot wait. I almost got a magician to come in today, but I couldn't find one. I don't know why I'm energized. I woke up at 5:30 and went to bed too late. Turn of events. The other one broke. Luckily we have a second one. This is a lot smaller, but it's fine. We'll just, it's be more concentrated blue lemonade. We got the blue stuff. Oakley's joining me. I was very upset. Matt came to the rescue. Anyways, we're just gonna roll with it. Blue magic. I was just sitting on top, very anticlimactic. Hang on. Oh, it's just sitting on top. Ooh. Do you approve? Did I just make Kool-Aid? Whoa, I think that's good, like that much. My thought process is to put a little bit of maple syrup in it for sweetness, because it is a lemonade. Oh, mix it. Oh, get it. Oh, okay, let's do a little taste test. Refreshing, this needs more maple syrup and put a little more lemons and we are good. Okay, blue lemon water with some sweetness. I don't think I mentioned today's party is costume optional. Add some lemon slices. Ooh. I was gonna get some edible glitter, but I felt like it was extra and it might just sink to the bottom. So I baked another batch of Oakley's birthday cake. This is a smash cake that's in the Baby HealthNut cookbook. It is so good. I definitely overbaked it a little bit. I forgot about it in the oven this morning while we were doing a million things, but it's all good. Matt saved it. So usually it's a little fluffier. I'm gonna let these cool a little bit longer out of the mold, and then I just gotta make the icing, which is super easy. But yeah, this recipe is down below. If you guys missed it, I did a 48-hour flash sale for his birthday, but I will extend it for another 48 hours when this video goes live. For those who watch my YouTube channel to also take advantage, so for 48 hours, the Baby HealthNut Cookbook will be on sale for 20% off. Use the code BIRTHDAY. There are over 30 recipes in there for babies starting at 6 months to 12 months and beyond. Lots of toddlers enjoy the recipes. Sage still enjoys the recipes, so if you have like a 1-year-old, they would still definitely benefit from the Baby HealthNut Cookbook. Otherwise, I have a toddler one, but both cookbooks work really well together. Every time I have the camera out, this guy's like, right to the tripod, huh? Yeah, go, rah! Okay, so last night my sisters came. We set up I couldn't have done it without them. Literally, my older sister did this balloon garland, which I got off Pinterest and did have pretty easy instructions, but I will say they are time consuming. So definitely give yourself like at least 2 hours to put it together. I'm gonna link everything I used to create this party and all the decorations and stuff down below for you guys on a blog post, so definitely check that out. Sorry, Oakley's, he's shaking the camera. Okay, so this is gonna be the dessert table. I feel like I do this every single time. This is like our go-to photo spot. We ordered these gorgeous cosmic donuts, as we're calling them in this party, from one of my favorite bake shops in Toronto, Tori's Bake Shop. They make gluten-free, delicious baked goods. And they did blue icing for me, and they're so cute. One for me, one for the party. One for me, one for the party. Tell me your mom's a YouTuber without telling me. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, you're walking backwards now. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So I got a local cookie artist to make these sugar cookies. I got little rocket ships, Oakley star constellation. Tell me that's not so stinking cute. Look at how pretty those are. So top ones are Biscoff buttercream, bottom ones are a cookie and cream buttercream, and then this is our birthday cake for Oakley. I have a topper I'm gonna add on top, but kept it really like simple and clean. Little astronaut on top, and I just love how it turned out. I'm thinking about doing the cupcakes kind of like around the bottom to fill it up, but then we will take some photos. It is getting dark out. I think it's gonna rain, but maybe we'll put our little astronaut light on and I'll actually work in our favor. Okay, as you can see, it's getting a little cloudy out right now. I'm hoping it doesn't rain. It says there's like a 20% chance of rain and that it's not supposed to rain after 1 and the party's at 1. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, we're okay. But on the plus side, we're gonna put our little like astronaut light on with the galaxy thing and maybe get some really cool photos. So might work in our favor. We're gotta work with what we got because Mother Nature, she's gonna do what she does. Sage is sneaking a donut. How is it? What does it taste like?
Blueberry.
Blueberry?
What does this taste like?
Like birthday cake. Oh, Oakley's trying to go down for a nap. He's not happy. I got cookies there. Cupcakes here. We got the astronaut on. I just took the glass off so we can take photos. And then these are the little toppers I painted with edible silver paint. I'm gonna pop them on here and see what that looks like because it definitely needs a cake topper. I think that's cute. I think that looks great. And then I have a spot right on top to put the candle. Oh my god, I love the lights on the balloons. They look sick. We just opened up our cured catering platters. This is the hors d'oeuvres one, which we've never gotten before, but it's adorable. Like, got little pretzel balls, like that's gonna be so fun for our guests. Charcuterie board. They honestly think of everything, like little jam jars. They have the bread there. They even have all the serving, like knives and spoons and tongs. Every time we get this at a party, like it's a huge hit. Everyone always asks where we got it from. And then we also got a fruit tray. My sister did little signs last night. So cute. My older sister, she is super talented, like very artsy. Nebula Nibbles. So cute. But yeah, we got some dragon fruit on here, passion fruit. So exotic. I love it. And like I said, all the details are gonna be on my blog. They're also giving my viewers a 10% off discount code. I'll put that down below. Just use Nikole10. It's so pretty. All right, Matt's working on the scavenger hunt. He's gonna hide some animals and dinosaurs. Yes, I still have to ice the cake. I got the icing back there. It's gonna happen. He is hiding some animals outside and the kids are gonna go find it. Hopefully it's not raining. Oh, there's already icing on here from the other day. Okay, I'm gonna attach this with 3M hooks or like those Velcro things. These come in so handy for a birthday party. Highly recommend. This is what we use to get up the balloon garland. I don't even think I've given you a tour of the party yet, so stay tuned. Oh, it doesn't even attach to plastic. Sun's coming out. Okay, I'm gonna need tape. The 3M hook, scrap that idea. It don't work on plastic. Mine and Matt's personality, me is like, I just like creative, explode, make a mess. And he's like constantly putting things away. And then like, where's this? Where's this? And he's like, I just put it away. Yeah, don't stress me out. I'm not even ready. And Sage isn't ready.
Just kind of line it up and then do a tape.
Is that good? How does that look? Okay, that works. I'll just put extra tape. Nothing like icing a birthday cake less than 2 hours before everyone's coming. Actually, when you say it like that, it's not too bad, but I still gotta do my makeup, get my 3-year-old ready, which is the hardest task of the day, which is why I'm leaving it to the last. Yeah. And that one has the one side. Dye-free sprinkles, of course. Okay, I'm vlogging on my phone. Finally gonna get my makeup done. We are doing it real quick because Oakley's still napping. We're just letting him nap basically until he wakes up because I don't think he's gonna have a afternoon nap. So he went down. If you're planning a party for a 1-year-old, I would recommend do a later morning nap and then just no afternoon nap and just early bedtime. That is what we were doing. Honestly, I got my brows done the other day. I do a lamination and a tint, and I just feel like, I don't know, way more alive. I just feel like it frames my face. I have brows, but they're just kind of light. I find it's a good little low maintenance hack. This morning was so cute, Sage watching her first birthday party. Like, I didn't want her to think, because I felt bad today. Everything was like, that's for Oakley, that's for Oakley. Like, his photos are all on the wall. And like, I get, like, every kid has to get used to, like, not every day is about them. Like, this is Oakley's day. But I just want her to know that, like, we did this for you too. Like, this is a special day for Oakley, but like, you get special days like this too. And her birthday's actually in like 2 weeks, so. I think that's Sage whining. She's been so good. I remember hosting her second birthday party and keeping her away from attacking all the decorations and the food was a full-time job. But now she's just like chilling on the couch watching Bluey and she's like, yeah, I'm okay. I'm good. Just fill up my snack bowl. We got some fresh air this morning. She slept good last night. I feel like we are in the good zone for a good day. I remember Sage's first birthday. Everyone singing happy birthday, like while we were doing the cake. And all of a sudden I just got so emotional. I did not know that was a thing. Like, okay, yeah, I get emotional on my kids growing up and, you know, not being my little baby anymore, although they will always be. I didn't know that everyone cries. I felt so silly. I was like, well, everyone's singing happy birthday. And, oh, Matt's outside putting the tables for the kids. The sun is coming up, like blue skies right now. It's just going to be cold. So I told the parents to, you know, dress their kids warm because we got like things for them to do. We got scavenger hunt, we got bouncy castle. My motto is if you're gonna invite a bunch of kids, make sure you have things for them to do so the parents can enjoy themselves. They enjoyed themselves. I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. I'm gonna maybe attempt space buns, or if we run out of time, just hair down, because I don't know. I want to get Sage to have space buns too with me, but yeah, once your kids are like over, I don't know, 2, if they don't want to do something, you can't be like, oh, mom wants you to wear this cute outfit. They're like, no, I don't want to wear it. I'm hoping she wears the cute outfit that I got for her, but like really it's up to her. She's her own little person now and she wears what she wants to wear. She's like, I don't like jeans. I don't like high-waisted things that dig into me, nothing too tight. And I'm like, I feel you, girl. I don't like that either. Maybe I'll just end up wearing jeans and a t-shirt, but I'm going to try to match the space theme. I told some people to dress up. It's optional. It's not like a full costume party, but also Halloween is in a few days. And like, who doesn't love a little costume party? I said, even if you just wear silver sparkly, that's fine. Just put a little effort. It'll be fun. Makeup is done. Honestly, I did it in like 5 minutes. I remember the days that I would give myself an hour to do hair and makeup, and that's just not the reality right now. So I already blow dried my hair this morning and took a shower, and I'm gonna show you guys what I might wear. I got 2 options because I didn't know which one was gonna be the best fit, but I feel like the first one I tried on was pretty good. So let me try these on. I think I need a white t-shirt. Oakley's still napping, but we're gonna get, okay, we gotta get this girl situated Sage, do you like my pants?
Yeah.
Those are your glasses. These are mommy's. Okay, here's the vibe, guys.
And those for me.
Those are yours. That's for Oakley. Oh, it's probably reflecting on the mess that's in front of you.
Mommy, this is for me.
Am I the raper?
Mommy,
Yes.
this is for me.
No, that one's for Oakley. This one's for you. Okay, do you want to put it on now? We're from the future. We're from the future.
Mommy?
Okay, makeup artist is here, or the face painter artist. Everything is ready to go. I'm so excited. I'll show you a couple of details because I don't think I've given you a full tour, but it looks so stinking cute. These are the flower arrangements I put together last night. We got them from a local florist, and we use them all the time for our parties, but I just tried to get stuff that was like, kind of looks spacey. I thought that looked like a sun. And I got some carnations. These are blue hydrangeas. I don't know what these little spiky guys are. Eucalyptus and daisies. And then I think I showed these already. We got our cured catering platters. And I'm so excited to dig in. Look who's awake! I'm gonna go astronaut. You got something on your face. The birthday boy literally just had a 2.5-hour nap. You woke up at the perfect time. I can hear people arriving. I just gave him some milk. Yeah, you're astronaut. You go. Houston, we have a 1-year-old.